Whether you're walking or eating, in Singapore you are bound to be approached by at least one of these small black birds. This bird, the Javan Myna, is not native to Singapore. However, another species, the common Myna, is. While they look near identical, the Javan Myna is missing the yellow coloration around its eye. The Javan Myna is mainly black in color, and their wings are brownish black. Their bellies are white in color. There is a short crest on their forehead, and its beaks, legs, eyes, and feet are yellow. The Javan Myna is well adapted to urban life and can be found all over Singapore. The Javan Myna feeds on seeds, fruit, nectar, insects, and human waste. This diet is a key reason why this species is as flexible as they are. The birds scavenge in groups of 2 to 3, however, one will feed alone, usually at a vantage point to keep a lookout for potential threats. If the bird that is keeping watch sees anything that might pose a threat, it alerts the others with a high-pitched tweet and they all flee the area. The IUCN Red List lists the Javan Myna as vulnerable for endangerment. As the face of beauty and grace, the black swan truly does go above and beyond to keep its crown. The black swan is a non-native resident of Singapore, often found in lakes, rivers, and swamplands, which can be both fresh or salt water. This swan was seen drifting through the ponds at the Botanic Gardens. The black swan eats a fancy diet of subaquatic foliage, vegetation, and plants, either in the water or on land in pastures or on farmland, and are also known to occasionally feed on insects. They tend to move around when food is scarce, but otherwise much prefer to stay in their own territory. The black swan will move around during the day and feed closer to dusk. Of all swans, the black swan is the least territorial and are sometimes even known to nest in colonies. When threatened, the black swan will create a loud noise by flapping its wings and making itself appear larger by puffing out its chest. Of all waterfowl, the black swan is the largest, with a mass of 3,700 to 8,700 grams and a wingspan of 160 to 200 centimeters. As the name suggests, the black swan is all black, with its eyes are red-pink in color and its beak is a striking, vibrant red. According to the IUCN Red List, the black swan is at least concerned for possible endangerment.
I would like to remind you how to stay safe when watching our wild neighbors. The National Park Service recommends 7 simple ways to keep yourself and your environment safe while viewing. 1. Know before you go. Educate yourself about the park you are visiting before you go. 2. Give animals room. Keep a safe distance between yourself and the animal at all times. 3. Do not disturb. Leave the animal alone. They are perfectly fine in their own habitat. 4. Keep your eyes on the road. Both when driving and not, it's important to watch your surroundings to make sure you do not accidentally tread on someone. 5. Store your food, stash your trash. Pretty simple. 6. See something, say something. If you see an animal acting strange, that looks sick, or could possibly be dead, tell a ranger. Also, inform a ranger if you see anyone else not following the proper protocols. 7. Be responsible. Bottom line, it's your responsibility to keep yourself and wildlife safe when watching. Thank you so much for watching. It would mean the world to me if you could fill out the short form linked in the description. As always, all my sources are in the description, and all footage is mine unless stated otherwise. Stay safe and keep exploring.